Welcome back to Mud Mods and Beers. This is another in the series of how-tos. So today we've got BB's Hilux. The headlights are definitely discolored and a bit foggy. So I did find these things in the garage, which I had for years. Turtle wax spray lubricant and lens clarifying compound. So I'm going to give these a go. I've just got a piece of P2000 wet and dry sandpaper and the old trusty microfiber. So we'll give this a go first. Gonna get the spray lubricant on with the wet and dry, and just kind of, what we're gonna try and do literally is take the top cover off the plastic, just sand it back very lightly so we get rid of that layer, and then we finish it off with the clarifying compound and polish it in, and it should come up schmicko. So right, lens cleaning time. So that's the difference between the first go. See, the top half's different to the bottom half. So we might need to do it a few more times just to really make it sparkle, but I think it's going to work. So that's that finished result. It's still not crystal clear, but it's a heap better than it was. And like, this was just lying in the garage. I have heard, and I've not tried it, but I have heard that toothpaste can achieve a good result too. I've not tried that. A little bit of wet and dry, bit of lubricant and some polish. Give it another lease of life. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next one.